So after a long time, we are shooting this another video. 3Ds Max, 2 or 3 seater sofa. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Let's begin. So first of all, go to a box, take a box like this, and take the measurement. Like suppose you are taking 3 seaters. So let's go by 2, 2, 2 and 6, 6. So 7 feet. After 7 feet, we will do the tab and then we'll go to width. How much width? 30 inches.
Yes, sir.
And then height. What height one should have? Let's have 2 feet 9 inches, right? That'll be better. So this is the height. After doing this, I'll have to check with the number of segments. So I'm going to have just 2 segments like this. No, one more is required.
3.
So let's have 3, and I'm not going to have anything else. Okay?
Yes.
So G for grid off. Now we have this before us. What to do? So to begin, what I believe is that I'm going to reduce this to say 16 inches because backrest I'll make it later.
Okay.
I'm not going to make backrest now. So now what to do? So once we have this, then why not to make backrest now only? I think now I'm done with it. Go to move, then obviously you'll have to convert to edit poly, take these vertices and move backside like this. Okay, so almost 6 inches. And then after take these together, go to scale and do it like this. It's done. So I have fixed the armrest and the backrest. Now I'll take one by one these polygons and extrude it. Now how much to extrude? We can extrude around 18 inches, but I'll go with 15 inches. Okay, I want low height backrest because backrest along with the armrest I'm having on the same level. That's why. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
So if you can understand that, we have these things together. Now what we are going to do is take the edge. I'll select all these edges and then connect. How many times? 2 times, because we want to have 3 seater. After doing this, I'll go to chamfer and I'll have this much chamfer here. Okay, got the point?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to go to the polygon. I'll take these polygons together. But the problem is this, that I have to select, all these 3 together to work in one go. So I'll do it like this and then, press Control, select again. Even you can do this together, but I'll prefer to do this later. Let's do these 3 things first, and then we'll move to the handrest, then the seats, and then the body. Okay, this will be the sequence. So I'll go to inset. I'll do the inset little bit, this much. Then I'll go to extrude. I'll do extrude by local normals. Okay, and then we'll reduce it to this much. I believe this much is enough. Same thing I'm going to do here. along with this. So last time the inset value which we have taken, it's in memory. So simply we'll have to do this and then simply OK, extrude, and then OK is done. Now we'll have to do little bit of work here. Select this, then do the ring. All are selected here, and then we'll go to connect. In the connect section, we'll have to kind of maybe we'll go with one only, and let's move it up like this. I think this is better. Now I'll take the polygon here and this together. Same inset, same extrude. Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Now let's check what is happening. So for that, we'll go to the segment over here. So once it is ready, now you will have to do one thing. Since we have used the edit poly modifier, now we'll have to convert it in editable poly to get this nums subdivision. So while using it, I can understand that yes, it's taking the shape. Let's have the iteration a little bit more, yet it is not coming. Don't worry. For that, again, we'll have to do the edge. Select the edge, then ring, and then after do the connect. Now you'll have to do with two numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
So keep it like this. Same thing we'll have to do with this ring, then connect, because the memory of this software is as such that whatever setting you have last time with these, it will have in its memory. Select this again, connect. Oh, sorry, you'll have to the ring first and then connect, accept it. Okay, same thing here. We'll have to do the ring and then connect. Now let's check what is happening. So we can see, yes, it's going in right direction, right? But the problem is with this area, so we are going to work in this area again. So for that, let's take the edge, then ring, then connect again. Let's have just one, and then we will move it to downside. Okay, because we don't need to protect this area. If it will be required, we'll do the connect again, right?
Yes, sir.
So use nums, check whether it is happening or not. Do you feel this is okay? Then it's okay. Otherwise, you'll have to work again. I feel this curve is not working. So for that, we'll have to take the edge over here like this, and then connect two numbers. Before that, you'll have to do the ring and then connect, and let's move it downside, right? So you'll have to adjust like this and move it like this. I hope this is now going to work 100%. So what do you think? Is it really working or not working? Check it if you're satisfied, else we can still work on the edges. More the polygons, better the shape. So anything extra you want to obtain from this, you can. Suppose I select the edge over here, this one, this edge, and then loop, and then I can do one more thing. I can extract it. create shape from this selection. Linear, because this is in line. Okay, and if you want in smooth way, then you'll have to go to this. Okay, and then you'll have to select this, because curve is coming now. What is coming over here? Curve is coming. And if you don't want this, so you do one thing. First you do the turbo smooth. Do the turbo smooth. Once you are done with the turbo smooth, then do the edit poly. Edit poly. Once again, go to this, take this loop, and then after you'll have to create shape with the smooth. Let's come out of it, select this, go to render, enable, make it like this, choose the same color, so maybe this color. So this is kind of got the point. What is this? This is kind of rope which goes around, so you can do multiple times as you wish, like this. So this is how one can obtain a wonderful looking sofa. Hope you have understood.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much for watching this video.